Good morning. Welcome to Apple Park.
Series 11 now includes the latest cellular technology, 5G. The new 5G modem and antenna architecture improve performance and provide even more coverage. Plus, it's more power efficient using less battery for cellular. At launch, many of our biggest carrier partners will support 5G on Apple Watch. Series 11 comes with watchOS 26, bringing new features and intelligence, as well as an elegant new design. The new watch face Flow uses liquid glass numerals to beautifully refract swirls of color. An exactograph, a modern reinterpretation of a traditional regulator clock that separates the hours, minutes, and seconds for precise timekeeping. Series 11 also comes with a comprehensive set of health features, including heart, hearing, cycle tracking, mental health, and more. This year, we're taking it further with Apple Watch Ultra 3. Let's start with the display. Whether you're checking your pace in the sun or depth underwater, readability is crucial. So Ultra 3 gets a new display that uses our most advanced technology with wide-angle OLEDs and LTPO3. The display is now brighter when viewed at an angle, and thinner borders allowed us to grow the screen area without changing the case size. The result is the largest display ever in an Apple Watch. It can also refresh more frequently in always-on mode without affecting battery life, which means you can now see ticking seconds in watch faces, including a new face, Waypoint, that dynamically shows points of interest in relation to you. For athletes, the Workout app makes it faster to customize views and use Workout Buddy, a generative voice with Apple Intelligence that delivers personalized feedback to motivate you during your workout. And Ultra keeps you connected no matter where you are with 5G cellular for more coverage and a faster, stronger connection. This year, we're also making a huge leap forward with satellite connectivity. Now, when you journey off the grid, you can stay safe and in touch with loved ones using satellite in available countries and regions. Just a few taps gathers critical information and can get you the emergency help you need. You can also send messages and share your location with Find My. To enable satellite connectivity in a device as small as Ultra, we redesigned the radio and antenna to double the signal strength, allowing you to communicate with satellites 800 miles above Earth. Emergency SOS via satellite is included with Ultra 3. And along with messages and Find My, you can now stay connected when you're backcountry skiing, trail running, or wherever you go. Ultra 3 also includes a larger battery and now gets up to 42 hours of battery life. Ultra will be available in black and natural titanium, made using an innovative 3D printing process that uses 100% recycled titanium and just half the raw materials as previous generations. There are also great new colors across our Ultra bands, and the trail loop now includes reflective yarn woven along the edges. The Hermes collection also gets a new band and rubber, perfect for an active lifestyle, and new colors for the On Mer band. That's Apple Watch Ultra 3, now featuring the largest display and longest battery life of any Apple Watch, with satellite communications, 5G, hypertension notifications, and watchOS 26. They will be available starting September 19th.
5 gorgeous colors: lavender, mist blue, black, white, and sage. The new design has a larger 6.3-inch display with thinner borders, so you can see more and do more. And the display of iPhone 17 features Pro Motion, just like our Pro models, with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz, designed to dynamically respond to your content for a smooth and power-efficient experience. When you're not using your iPhone, the always-on display efficiently adjusts down to 1 Hz. And the lock screen is even more useful with live activities and widgets. When outside, iPhone 17 is more readable with 3000 nits peak outdoor brightness, our highest ever on iPhone. This makes the display on iPhone 17 our best yet. We build iPhone to be durable because we know how much people count on it. Our industry-leading ceramic shield continues to be tougher than any smartphone glass or glass ceramic. iPhone 17 introduces Ceramic Shield 2. Now it has 3 times better scratch resistance. It's made possible by a new Apple-designed coating bonded to ceramic shield at the atomic level. This specialized ceramic layer adds hardness to protect from everyday scratches. And the display quality gets better with a 7-layer anti-reflective coating that reduces glare and distractions, making iPhone more readable in bright lighting conditions, both indoors and outdoors. Powering iPhone 17 is the latest generation of Apple Silicon, A19. Built with the most advanced 3-nanometer technology, A19 is faster and more efficient. It has an updated display engine to power ProMotion and the always-on display. It has an improved neural engine tailored to power incredible on-device performance for Apple Intelligence. Combined with increased memory bandwidth of A19, on-device generative and large language models will run even faster.
Combines the capabilities of 2 cameras in one, with a main camera and an optical quality 2x telephoto, each with dedicated image pipelines.
And that completes the fantastic iPhone 17. Powered by the A19 chip, it has a bigger and brighter 6.3-inch display with ProMotion and Ceramic Shield 2. iPhone 17 also comes with the latest iOS features, Apple Intelligence, great all-day battery life, and starts with 256 gigabytes of storage.
At 5.6 millimeters, it's the thinnest iPhone we've ever made. And it's also exceptionally light. It's unlike anything you've ever held before, and it's packed with our most advanced features. The gorgeous 6.5-inch display is our best, featuring ProMotion up to 120 Hz, always on, and 3,000 nits of peak brightness. And it's protected by the new Ceramic Shield 2, with improved anti-reflection and 3 times better scratch resistance than our previous Ceramic Shield. We're also bringing Ceramic Shield to the back of iPhone for the very first time. It's 4 times more resistant to cracks than our previous back glass. It also protects the new plateau that now houses major internal components at the top of iPhone. The inside was precision milled for more space, creating room for the rear camera, front camera, speaker, and even Apple Silicon. The frame of iPhone Air is made of titanium. This is an essential material choice for such a thin design, and enables it to exceed our stringent bend strength requirements. Altogether, these materials make iPhone Air more durable than any previous iPhone. We're also using 80% recycled titanium, the highest ever for iPhone. There are 4 stunning colors to choose from: space black, cloud white, light gold, and sky blue. iPhone Air has such a unique design, and it wouldn't have been possible without Apple. There's so much more to these camera systems, like action mode, audio mix, 4K Dolby Vision, and all the features of camera control. There's another important innovation that helped bring iPhone Air to life, and that is eSIM. We pioneered eSIM years ago, and now it's an industry standard. And compared to that decades-old piece of plastic, eSIM is so much easier to use, has better security, and saves precious space inside iPhone. eSIM is also great for travel. Carriers have many affordable and convenient roaming plans. If you want to use a local plan, it's easy to set up an eSIM from the comfort of your home or while on the road. There's no need to change physical SIM cards, and you can have data from the moment you land at your destination. eSIM coverage is available globally thanks to extensive planning and testing with our carrier partners. Because of this, we designed iPhone Air to be eSIM only worldwide, maximizing internal space for battery size. So now, let's talk about battery life. We innovated in both hardware and software to deliver great battery life for iPhone Air, powered by our most advanced Apple Silicon built for efficiency. The internal design has been completely rethought to maximize battery space. And iOS 26 introduces new power-saving features, like adaptive power mode, which learns your usage patterns and anticipates when you might run low on battery, intelligently conserving power to help you make it through the day. Now, despite being much thinner and lighter, iPhone Air still gets amazing all-day battery life. This is incredible. All-day battery life and our thinnest iPhone ever. We're also introducing a new ecosystem of accessories to complement this unique iPhone design. Thanks to the incredible thinness of iPhone Air, we were able to create a new low-profile MagSafe battery that, when attached, feels great in your hand and is slim enough to drop right into your pocket. When using them together, iPhone Air has up to 40 hours of video playback. That's enough to binge on all 40 episodes of For All Mankind, making it a great accessory for long trips. We also designed 2 custom cases for iPhone Air. The first is a translucent case with a back panel that is less than 1 millimeter thin, designed to provide great drop protection, available in frost and shadow. The second is a lightweight bumper made from a reinforced polycarbonate. It perfectly frames iPhone Air and is available in 4 matching colors. Both options can be paired with the new crossbody strap. It's lined with thin, flexible magnets designed to hold the straps together and allow you to easily adjust the length. So that's the incredibly advanced iPhone Air, our thinnest iPhone ever with pro performance inside. Incredible durability, amazing camera systems on both front and back, and our latest Apple-designed chips built for efficiency to deliver fantastic all-day battery life.
From the inside out, introducing iPhone 17 Pro.
Ever. It also delivers an enormous leap in battery life. All 48-megapixel fusion cameras on the back and 8x zoom, along with our innovative center stage camera on the front. All of the new models will start with 256 gigabytes of storage, giving you more room for your photos, videos, apps, and memories. iPhone 17 starts at $799, keeping the same great price. iPhone Air starts at $999. And iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1099, the same great price as last year's 256 gigabyte iPhone 16 Pro. And for the first time, a 2 terabyte configuration is available on iPhone 17 Pro Max. We also have amazing offers from Apple and our partners. You can get up to $1,100 off when you trade in an iPhone 13 Pro or newer in any condition. And the iPhone lineup starts at just $599 with iPhone 16e. Pre-orders for all new models start this Friday, and they will be available starting September 19th. And now, back.
Thank you very much for joining us. Have a great day.